Hey, sweet faces. We are starting to talk about division this week, and we are looking at how our pictures and our division sentences connect. So, what I want you to do is, I want you to take a look at your pictures and I want you to ask yourself how many are in the group, how many are there total, and how many groups do we have? So, if we're looking at our trucks, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in a group. And if I count by fives, I have 5, 10, 15, 20 all together. And how many groups do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this tells me that 20 divided into 5 gives me 4 groups. Each group has 5. So 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. Coming over here, there's 4 in the group. If I count by fours, I have 4, 8, 12 total. And how many groups do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 gives me 3. There is 2, 4, 6, 8 total. Each group has 2, and I have 4 groups. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Here I have 4 in a group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. If I count them all together, I have 24. 24 divided by 4 gives me 6. I have 9 total. Each group has 3, and there are 3 groups altogether. 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Each one has 3. Altogether, I have 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Now notice that we have a connection here. Because if I think of these like multiplication, 4 times 5 gives me 20. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Remember that multiplication and division go hand in hand because we use one to find the other, right? So if we're dividing 20 divided by 5 and we're not sure of our answer, we can think to ourselves, 5 times what gives me 20? They're called inverse operations. We can use them to help us find our other missing piece. All right, loves, that's the end of our first page. If that is as far as you've gotten, please go ahead and stop. Otherwise, here comes page number 2. Page number 2, we're continuing to talk about division. We're using our favorite strategy to write a math sentence to describe what we have for our pictures here. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Each group has 3. If I counted them all together, there's 15. I can think of this like multiplication. 5 times 3 equals 15. As division, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. I have 6 total. There are 2 in each group. There's 3 groups. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Thinking of it as multiplication, 3 times 2 equals 6. Remember, I can use 1 to help me find the other. There are 10 total. Each group has 5. There's 2 groups. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We have 3 groups total. Each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together, we have 24 because 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. We have 9 total. There's 3 in each group. I have 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. There is 8 in each group. There are 3 groups. I have 24 total. 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. These are very, very similar, so be careful. Actually, I think I counted that wrong. Hold on. Rewind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in a group with 3 groups. This is 21. Good thing I checked my math. Thought they looked very similar. So 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Last page, love bugs. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There's 15 total. Each group has 3, and there's 5 groups. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. There's 15. Each group has 3. There are 5 groups. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. We can show this in 2 different ways. Down here, our groups have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a group. There's 3 groups. We have 30 total. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. We have 9 total. There's 3 in each group. I have 3 groups. There's 6 in a group. There's 2 groups. There's 12 total. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And then our last one, there's 12 total. Each group has 4. There's 3 groups. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Notice that we have the same total here, but we're able to break it into groups differently. Okay? All right, love bugs, that is the end of our work for this week. Please keep practicing your multiplication facts. They are going to help you in your division, okay? Multiplication and division are besties. We're going to practice them together a lot. If you have any questions, please bring them to class. Goodbye, my love.